So this morning my skates have finally arrived. I've been waiting for them for just under a week now. There's been some drama trying to get them, so I'm hoping that when I open them and try them on, they're a perfect fit. Hopefully I won't have to send them home, because today, as you can see, it's kind of sunny, but it's the last day of sunshine before the UK gets hit by a storm. So I'm really hoping that I can get out on them today and I don't have to worry about sending them back. I've also got tons and tons of like badges and bits and bobs to like put on my skates. I've got glitter to put on my toe protectors, so I bought like loads and loads of stuff to get me going. So yeah, I'm going to open my skates now. I'm going to try them on and I'm going to sort out fitting them. I've got to fit the toe stop, and I've also got to make sure like the wheels are adjusted and stuff. So wish me luck, here I go. So here they are. These are my first pair of roller skates. I bought the Rookie Artistic. I usually wear like a size 6.5 trainer. I didn't want to opt for a 7, so I opted for a 6, but apparently they come up a little bit bigger anyway. But I want to kind of have that tightness around my foot. Apparently that's a good thing. So here we go. Just discard the lid. And oh my god, these are gorgeous. Look at that. They are really weighty. I did not expect them to feel so weighty and so solid. But yeah, they come with the adjustable toe stop. And they only came in black and white, which was a little bit disappointing. I wish that they'd come in more funky colours like a lot of the other skates, but I think that gives me really an option to be really creative about how I decorate them, and like 80% of my wardrobe is black anyway, so I'm pretty sure it's going to go with all of my clothes. So yeah, I'm going to go away and adjust them, and then I'll show you what they look like on. Okay, so I am off to the skate park for the first time. I've got my helmet, I've got my skates, I've got all my gear. I've spent loads of time adjusting it. The weather's actually really nice today, so I'm kind of glad. I'm kind of hoping that it's going to be somewhat busy, so I can just kind of fade into the background. I'm feeling really nervous, really nervous about it. But yeah, I think I've spent so many hours watching videos that I hope I'm just going to at least be able to skate around nicely. So I'm getting pretty close to where I'm going to be skating, and I'm kind of freaking out a little bit, if I'm honest. This is pretty big for me to like go somewhere by myself, do something new. I don't know anybody. It's also like the middle of the pandemic, so I can't really talk to people, get close to people or anything like that. So yeah, this is a big thing for me. I mean, like a few years ago I was really suffering with severe social anxiety, and now to be able to do something like this is a pretty big achievement. But yeah, still nervous, so excited. Got to put my pads on, got to put my skates on, and I've got to try and not make an idiot out of myself.
This is where a skating legend is born, for tarmac and stormy weather and wet conditions. This is where it all starts. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Yeah. So that's straight over the puddle. She knows what's up.
Cut. Well, it's been an amazing few days. Unfortunately, the weather here in Bristol has not been so good, so there hasn't been a lot of opportunity to get out and learn more stuff. It's been super duper windy, so yeah, just not favourable conditions at all. But nonetheless, I've been like practicing, I've been getting my skates on, I've been trying to like learn some new tricks. The only space I have to skate on like semi-decent floors here is in my bathroom, but I don't really have a lot of space in my bathroom, so it's been a bit of a slow start, but I'm still really impressed with my progress. I'm super happy with my skates, and yeah, I just can't wait to like continue learning new things and yeah, just getting more confident. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thanks, bye.